are 7 mistakes you are currently making and you cannot progress in French as you want. Many students say that they do not have time. There are 2 reasons to that. Maybe, yes, you do not have time and you will have to make that time if you want to learn French. Because we all have 24 hours in one day, so you need to choose your priority. The second reason can be that you say, I do not have time, hide another issue. Perhaps you are stuck with French grammar or conjugation, or you didn't find the right tutor for you, or maybe you didn't find the right resources to progress in French. So ask yourself why I do not have time, why I am stuck. And once you find the cause of the problem, you will be able to take action and progress. Maybe you wonder that French is difficult and learning languages is not for you, so you won't make it. I am convinced that everybody can learn any skills. For that, you need discipline, you need some objective, and you need to take action. So believe in yourself, and with all the effort you will give, you will be able to learn and progress in French. Learning French grammar and other aspects of French language is great, but it won't give you the ability to actually speak French. Let's take the example of cooking. If you learn for months years the theory about all the different techniques for cooking, or learn all the recipes you can find, you won't be able to actually cook. You need to cook to learn how to cook and make mistakes. It is the same in French. You will need to start speaking to learn how to speak in French. Making mistakes is part of the process. Is that how you will learn how to speak French? So you will make mistakes, and little by little you will add new grammar rules that you will learn, or tenses, conjugation, verbs, and then little by little you will improve your sentences, but at least you will be able to speak French. Learning pronunciation in French is essential. Learning alphabet and sounds in French doesn't take that much time. And thanks to that, you will be able to be understood better and understand others. Do not make the confusion between pronunciation and accent. Pronunciation is how we pronounce sounds in French, but accents is what makes you unique. So do not try to hide it, be proud of it. Just learn, master pronunciation in French, and you will be able to be understood by French locals. Internet is everywhere, and social media allow you to communicate easily all around the world. French people travel a lot and even live in foreign countries. So you can find on social media meetup groups where you can find either French people in your country or city, and or other French learners on social media to practice with them. Being fluent in French doesn't happen overnight. It is a long process. Of course, you can learn French basics and French sentences to be able to speak and understand French people just in a few weeks. But being actually fluent in French will take a few months or a few years for the people. Do not rush. Be patient. We are all different and we are all learning at our own pace. Being alone is never good. You will be more prompt to fail. Keeping the motivation is difficult when you are on your own. So that's why with the internet you can find groups with other learners like you. Set up a meeting every week in your agenda and you can speak together and help each other and share different tips and advice. I hope this video gives you some ideas on how you can progress in your French learning journey. À bientôt!